Next question, please. 1 by factorial 6 plus 1 by factorial 7 is x by factorial 8. My question is, what is x here? What is x here? One by factorial 6 plus 1 by factorial 7 is...
It's 64.
Yes, it's 64. 1
It's
by
64.
What we do in this case, factorial 6 is the smallest one. They are asking find the value of x. So convert all in small factorial. Factorial 6 remain as it is. This I'll write 1 by 7 factorial 6. This I'll write x by 8 into 7 factorial 6. Then factorial 6 clearly get cancelled out here. Left is 1 plus 1 by 7 come out to be x by 8 into 7. Here we go for LCM as 7. So it becomes 7 plus 1 is x by 8 into 7. This 7 and 7 get cancelled out. Then I got it x is 8 into 8. Answer come out to be 64. One more question you try, please. X by factorial 10 is 1 by factorial 9 plus 1 by factorial 8. My question is, find out what should be x here. What should be x here?
Sir, plus 1 by
1 by factorial 9 plus 1 by factorial 8 is x by factorial 10. Find out what should be x.
So 100.
100.
100.
Yes. Again, the highest will be 10 and smallest is 8. So convert them in 8. So it will come 10 into 9 factorial 8. Here it will come out to be what? 9 factorial 8 and this will be 1 by factorial 8. Factorial 8 clearly get cancelled out. Then I got it x by 10 into 9 and here we'll take LCM 9. So it will be 1 plus 9. This 9 and 9 gone and x will be 10 into 10. So it will come out to be 100. Clearly x is coming 100. Next question, please. Convert 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 into factorial. Convert this result in factorial. Convert this result in factorial. When you want to complete this factorial, it should be 5 is here, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1 is needed here to convert the factorial 10 to 1. What is extra you have done? 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 multiplied, so that you should divide also. Now when you have this, what you will get numerator? It is factorial 10. This will come out to be factorial 5. Next question, please. N plus 1, N plus 2, N plus 3 till N till 2N. Convert this in factorial. Question is, convert this result in factorial.
Sir, what was the answer of the last question?
That was factorial 10 by factorial 5.
Okay, sir.
Because you have multiplied 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So numerator
Yes, sir.
factorial 10, denominator factorial 5. Now this question. N plus 1, n plus 2, n plus 3 till 2n. We should convert this in factorial now.
So 2n whole factorial upon n factorial.
Yes, good. What is the term missing here? N minus 1. Last will be 1, 2, 3. Right? 1, 2, 3 till n is missing.
Right.
Then we will write this as also 1, 2, 3 till n. Now it is 1, 2, 3 till n, n plus 1, n plus 2 till 2n. So numerator will become factorial of 2n, denominator will become factorial of. Next question please. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Convert this in factorial please. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. Convert this result in factorial. Now in this case,
So 2 in third
yes,
factorial.
2,
So 2 into 6 factorial.
2 into 6 factorial. Yes, how many stages?
Sir, 2 with the power of 6. 6
Yes.
factorial. 2 with the power.
Yes, that is the mistake you are doing. There is no plus sign in between, so you can't take 2 common here. If it is plus in between, you can take common, but when it is not plus multiplication, you can't take common. So what I should do here in this case, 2 I'll write as 1 into 2. This I'll write 2 into 2. This I'll write 2 into 1, then 2 into 2, then 2 into 3, then 2 into 4, then 2 into 5, and then 2 into 6. Can I write this? Then these are multiplications. So 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 6 2's I'll take in the multiple. In the first case, so that will become 2 power 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 power 6 gone out. Left is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. What left inside now? Is it factorial 6? So answer will be 2 power 6 factorial 6. One question you try now. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and 18. Convert this in factorial, please.
Three to the power 6 into 6 factorial.
3
Yes,
power
sir.
6 into factorial 6. Yes. This I'll write what? 3 into 1. This is 3 into 2. This is 3 into 3. 3 into 4. 3 into 5, 3 into 6. How many 3 goes out? 3 power 6 goes out. Left is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6 also. So this will be factorial 6, and this is 3 power 6. Next question, please. Factorial n into factorial n plus 2. You have to prove this is equal to factorial n plus factorial n plus 1. Wait a minute, this is not factorial. Factorial n into n plus 2 we have to prove as factorial n plus 1. This is the question we have. Any side you can start, bring the second side. Better you start with the right
n
hand
plus
side.
2.
Better will be the right hand side. Factorial n by plus factorial n plus 1. Which is bigger this time? N plus 1 is bigger. So I should open it. Factorial n, this will write n plus 1 and next will be factorial n. Factorial n will be common in the 2. I'll take that. What left now? 1 plus n plus 1. Then it will come out to be factorial n into n plus 2. So the answer come out to be factorial n into n plus 2. Next question, please.
Sir,
Uh,
sir, so is there a rule or a trick that we always open the bigger factorial? Is there anything like that?
it's better because bigger can be converted into smaller one. But smaller, if you want to convert, then you should multiply, divide the numbers. So always bigger a number you should start, and that will come create a smaller number easily because the decreasing series always goes. Factorial 5, when you take 5, 4, 3, so it decreases. So that's better you start with the higher one and bring the smaller one.
Okay, sir.
Next question is, if factorial n plus 2 is 60 times factorial n minus 1, what should be n here? Factorial n plus 2 is 60 times factorial n minus 1. My question is, what should be n this time? Again, we should think about a greater n. N plus 2 bigger or n minus 1 bigger?
N plus 2.
N plus 2.
Plus 2. So we should start with n plus 2. So first number is n plus 2. Reduce it by 1, that will become n plus 1. One more reduction, that is n. One more less, that is factorial n minus 1. Further, I will not take because it's already present here. This has come out to be 60 times factorial n minus 1. This part clearly get cancelled out. Then I got it n plus 2, n plus 1, n is 60.
5 into 4 into 3.
Now here one thing you should remember, either use it the cubic equation solve karo or answer nikalo, but better is now we know that these are simply the natural numbers. And these three natural numbers are consecutive one. 1, 2, 3, they are consecutive natural numbers. So that means whatever this number, that will also appear in this form. If you take 60, what can be the three consecutive natural number? 5 into 4 into 3. You can check. 60 के factors कर लो. 5, how much? 12. Then 2, 6. Then 3, 2. And then 2. 3 number 1. Then 4. And then 5. So 3 numbers are clearly visible. So I'll write these.
Sir,
Yes.
but इसमें n में इसको सर इसमें फैक्टोरियल n प्लस 2 कैसे लिख सकते हैं अपन लोग जब n में ये पूरा 0 तक रिजॉल्व हो ही नहीं रहा है.
मैंने कहा कर वो तो यहाँ फैक्टोरियल n माइनस 1 है तो पूरा हम क्यों जाएंगे? वी विल गो फॉर n प्लस 2 से स्टार्ट करो n प्लस 1